My name is Lisa Ellers, and my home is Namibia. Actually, my first home was my beautiful mother, and she raised me proudly on the soil of this sunny, favorite place, full of possibilities and dreams. And now, as we celebrate 34 years of independence, what I am most grateful for is growth. I see it everywhere, in the hustle and the bustle of our people, in the progress of our industries, businesses, communities, in the way we work, the way we play, the way we stay proudly Namibian. As I reflect on where my journey started, I just bow my head in respect when I think of my late father and how he built our home with his bare hands, armed only with the support of a few bricks and cement, and the knowledge that Namibia is a safe place to live. Namibia is our home, and we drive her growth. So let's show the world what we can do with the grace of a united nation under a shared roof. Yes, there is so much work to be done and so much more growth to grab onto. But as His Excellency Dr. Hage Geingob once said, our national efforts should focus on fostering a culture of respect for human rights in the present day and in the future. So let us take hands in Harambe, hearts in inclusion, and continue to condemn war, genocide, and all the atrocities that are happening in the world right now, especially to minority communities. We have to challenge the status quo and eradicate poverty, unemployment, GBV, and all other unseen challenges of our people. It is our shared responsibility. Only together and only inspired can we take hands as we celebrate and serenade our independent glory. Happy independence, Namibia.